How to reset Wattpad account password. So if you want to reset your Wattpad account password, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Wattpad, and then here on the first search you will have www.wattpad.com. You can click on that. Now it will take you to the web page, and if you want to reset your password, you have to simply go to login. Click on login, and then here you have to enter your username or your email address, and then you have to enter your password. But if you want to reset and if you have forgotten your password, then you have to click on forgot password, and now you have to enter your username, or you can also enter your email address, and then you have to click on send instructions, and now you will get a mail to your email address which you have used to create your Wattpad account. It may take some time to get that mail. So after you get the mail, you have to open that mail, and you will have a reset password option. You can simply click on that, and then you will have to enter a new password or create a new password. And that's it. That's the way to reset your Wattpad account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.